Good afternoon all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday afternoon, September 28th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and the NQ. Video's late tonight because I did a webinar with Terry Lieberman from Window Trader, which turned out to be really nice. It's about 75 minutes. So if anybody wants to find out more about Terry and Window Trader, just go to windowtrader.com. All right, that's window with only one W. And you can check out what he has to offer. It was really good. It was recorded. Once I get the recording, I will certainly put it out there on my Twitter and LinkedIn and obviously to my trading room. So today, turned into a day that we were kind of looking for over the past couple of days possibly to happen, and it finally did, and that was the market came back into balance on the daily. Remember, they ripped up yesterday late, took apart some late shorts, laggard shorts, and then today they did a little more damage, putting the daily back into balance. Remember, we had said the previous 3 days we failed to hold the gap. We failed to hold a trend day down with 5 sets of single prints on Tuesday, 2 yesterday. So today they finally took some of those shorts to task and put them out, put them to bed. What didn't happen though is we couldn't hold trend up. We actually had 3 sets of single prints that did not hold, so we do not go trend. NQ is the only one that held their trend day. Okay, they're a double distribution day. Righty took out both IBs, by the way. They took out the IB low and C, and then they went trend up like we did, only to fail. They end with an afternoon pullback in K. We end with an afternoon pullback in K. We're only 8 wide. NQ ends with the trend day. Now, ES and NQ have poor highs on the day. SPY does not, but ES and NQ do. Good day today, all from the long side for me. Even when the market came in, it took a long for an afternoon pullback, which was nice. So I didn't do anything in A and B. A period was vicious chop. Okay, stayed away from it. Even when B took out A's highs, still wasn't sure what the market wanted to do. When the market came down in C period, though, took out B's low to come back to balance, but got basically rejected at the opening. When it went back up, I longed. I longed the C period in ES and made 4 points on it. Then in D period, looking at NQ. Now remember, we got both overnights today. So that's the 38th time we've done that this year, 20.4% of the time. When we got our overnight high and NQ hadn't gotten theirs yet, I jumped on a long and made 17 points in NQ to get the overnight high. Then I started the old ebb and flow trade, right? When the market started pushing up pretty good in E and F and the beginning of G, any pullback I was longing. So did well on those. I made about 11 points in ES during those time frames. H period. Thought H might be the afternoon pullback. When we filled that first set of singles, made 3 points in ES. NQ, I took a long in J period, thinking we were going to stop the one-time framing, which we did. Made 6 points off of that. And then when we pulled back in K and took back the rest of our trend day in ES, took a long and made another 6 on that. So I made 24 points in NQ. I'm sorry, 24 in ES, 23 in NQ. So very happy so far on the week with 74 points in ES and 59 in NQ. As far as destinations go, we have our afternoon pullback of 427.47 in SPY, and today's low of 424.87. Our upside is 430.25, today's high. In ES, 27.50 is our afternoon pullback, 43.01 is our low of the day, and our high is 55.75, which is poor. And then on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily. Tomorrow night we'll recap all 3 of these indices charts, okay? So what changed? Well, we finally came into balance. Now all our balances are going to be different. I'll show you them real quick on the 3 indices. I'm using ours as a 3-day balance, which means if we take out today's high, we'll be up. If we take out yesterday's low, we'll be back down, right? So we went bear, now we're balanced. Do we come out of balance bear or bull? I guess it remains to be seen. We have the last day of the quarter tomorrow and PCE tomorrow morning at 8:30, and then there's a couple other numbers out at 9:45 and 10. But we're in a 3-day balance. Volume right now, 91 million, not bad. Triple Qs, I would call it a 4-day balance, right? Monday through Thursday. So, or you could even encompass the whole thing since they're kind of closer and make it a 6-day balance. Again, it's all subjective, but it's at least a 4-day balance right now on the triple Qs. Don't forget, we have these gaps up above us in ES, NQ, and IWM look like they might get to that gap. Now look at them. This is definitely a 6-day balance. They basically traded this whole 4-day range to the downside, almost to the top of this day. So you see the way the balances are different. We're 3 in ES, NQ's at least 4, and Russell is 6. So we'll see. Do we get more? Let's put it this way. These numbers are absurd. They're meaningless, but the algos react off of them, no doubt. So if the PCE doesn't disappoint the market, I think we get more short covering and we get more of a push higher and maybe try to turn the daily up. However, if the number is something that disappoints the market, then we could firmly come from balance back down and come out to the bear side once again. All remains to be seen. Anyway, I hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.